So one of the joys of explosives is it can give off an electromagnetic pulse that knocks out electronics nearby. Very, very, very close. But if you want to put a sensor in there to detect detonation velocity or something, the signal is awful. So we do everything either with fiber optics or with a camera.
This Manufacturing Week Bus Tour Spotlight was presented by Boeing.
Hi, I'm Michael Drum. I'm a product engineer at High Energy Metals. We've been in business for 25, 30 years. We've been here for about half that. And we do a kind of a unique process called explosive welding, where we use explosives to bond dissimilar metals that can't really be welded any other way. So mostly it's aluminum stainless, copper stainless, stainless titanium. Lots of customers that have unique problems that we help solve. So one of the larger applications is ships, where they want the outside to resist salt water, but the inside to be structural, and then minimize weight. So they clad the outside and the inside. One of the perks of our process is we can put barrier metals between the two metals. So directly bonded aluminum to Inconel or stainless is incompatible when you heat it. It will actually heat back apart. And so we put a barrier like titanium, which chemically separates the two. A lot of the parts, like pipe fittings, we cut out as rounds. So we have two water jets. You'll see this next door being machined. So the current Mars rover takes soil samples, but leaves them on the surface, and they can't get them back to Earth. And there's a new project to return those samples. And these were for fuel plumbing. And Blake over there, he's doing thermal cycling, which is a proof test that those ductile interlayers work. So we take a finished customer part, put it in liquid nitrogen and then hot water, and that stress tests it.
What do you think your favorite part of working here is?
It's gonna sound funny, but answering the phone.
Sure.
Because it's an engineer and it's someone that has a problem. And I can almost always say, yes, I can help you.
That's awesome.
Which is great.
This Manufacturing Week Bus Tour Spotlight was presented by Boeing.